Good morning, dear student. In our grammar, our 12 lessons name is article here. So, what is article? We can say that articles are demonstrative adjective. Articles are demonstrative adjective. We cannot find article in other language. We can see article in grammars only in English language here. We see the uses of article. First of all, we can say that there are two types of articles here. One, that is definite article the. We can say that article the is definite article because it refer any particular noun. If we want to talk any particular noun, so we have to use the article. So by that we can say that the is definite article, and also we use singular and plural noun with article the. It means we can use the article with singular noun also and plural noun also here. So the here used to show the definite or the fixed person, fixed noun here. So the refer particular fixed noun here. Then indefinite article. We have two indefinite article, a and n. So remember one thing, we use here a and an article with the singular noun only. If the noun is plural, then we cannot use a or an article here. Now we see here the uses of a article here. So before the word beginning with a consonant sound, remember one carefully, we can use article A before the consonant sound here. Consonant means we can say that during the times of speaking here, during the times of speaking, we speak here, and the noun is, or the we can say that the noun has consonant sound. On that times we have to use article a. For that we have to remember the consonant sound here. We see the example is given here. There are 12 months in, so we have put here a. So here year, we can speak here year. So year, we speak here year. So here year is there. So before year, we have to write a article here because the noun year we pronounce here consonant here. Then second example, a child. So a word pronunciation is like consonant. Child is start with ch. So cha is consonant sound, so we have to use a article before child because the sound, the pronunciation of child noun is cha. The start from cha, cha, child is cha. So here we have to put a child is playing in the garden here. As well as the child, we are talking about the child, we don't know, we are not referring any particular noun. So which child we don't know, but there was only one child, that is singular, so we have to use a article here. I have a car. So car is noun, and for the car the pronunciation is like consonant car. So here ka, we speak here ka here, so we have to write a article before car, and there is only one car is there, and which car we don't know. We are generally we are speaking car, so here that is not refer any particular car, so we have to use a car here. Then Joy has a 1 rupee note here. So the spelling is start from O here. Generally what we are doing here, A, E, I, O, U. By seeing these 5 letters, we can say that that is vowel here. And we have to write A, N article here. But the pronunciation here, O-N-E, va. We speak here va here. So O-N-E, va, na. Va. The pronunciation is like the consonant here. So va is a consonant. So we have to write a article before O-N-E, 1 rupee note here. Then I have a uniform for my school. So here uniform is a noun and the pronunciation like is consonant. Uniform here. Our pronunciation start with here for the uniform here. So here is a consonant. So we have to write a before uniform here. Then I have seen a European. So the spelling beginning with E, but the pronunciation is start with European here. So the consonant sound is there. So we have to write a article before European here. So the consonant sound is there. So we have to use a article before the consonant sound, before consonant sound of noun here. Then we see here before the word beginning with a vowel sound, we have used here N. So remember we have to take the support of Gujarati vowel here like a, e, u, a, I, o, So the noun is beginning with a vowel sound, so we have to use an article. Example is given here. My friend called me an hour ago here. So the spelling beginning with the H, but the H remained the silent here. So our pronunciation is like hour. A is there, so A is a vowel sound. So we have to write an hour ago here. Then the story came to an end here. So the spelling beginning with E, but the pronunciation is like end, able. We speak here N, end. So here A is there, so we have to write N. Then Raj is an honest boy. Here once again H remains the silent and honest. We speak here O for the honest. So O is there, that is vowel sound. So we have to write N for the honest boy here. Then see eat an apple every day. Apple, the spelling beginning with A. Then we speak here apple. A is there, so we have to write N. Like vowel sound is there. Then English is not an easy language. So we speak here easy. E, we speak here E. So for E, we have to write N for the vowel sound. So remember it carefully. If the noun that beginning with a vowel sound, on that times we have to use article N for the singular noun. Then we have uses of the article. There are lots of uses of the article and the, so the particular noun here. The, we can say that is a definite article because the, so the particular fixed noun here, and we can use here the article for the singular as well as the plural noun here. So when we have to use the article, there are some rules here. First rule, before the names of historical monuments here. Historical monument like the Red Fort is in Delhi here. So Red Fort, Qutub Minar are the monuments here. So we have to use the article before historical monuments here. Before the names of newspaper, before the names of newspaper, like I read the Times of India here. So Times of India is a names of newspaper, so we have to write the article before newspaper here. Then plural name of countries here. So we can say that I have visited the United States of America here. So there are many colonies, there are many small countries are there in America. So we can say USA is a union here. It is a union of countries. More countries altogether, they make the United States of America. So here we have to use here the article before the names of United States of America here. Then before the names of river like Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Narmada. So we have to use the article before the names of river. So the Nile is the longest river here. So Nile is the names of river here. Then holy books. We have the different holy book in each and every religious. Like we can say that my father read the Gita. So I am talking about Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bible, Quran are the names of holy book. So before the names of holy book, Bhagavad Gita, so we have to use the article before the names of holy book like Bible, Quran, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata. Then before the unique things here, there is one in a surrounding here. We can find here that is unique things in a world. Like we can say that the Statue of Unity is only one. The Liberty of America, the Statue of Liberty in America, there is only one single. We can say that. So the sun give heat and light. So we have one single sun is there. So that is a unique things is here. So we have to write the sun give us heat and light here. Then the Jupiter is the biggest planet here. So Jupiter is also the special planet here. That is unique things here, like Statue of Unity, then the Statue of Liberty in America, the Burj Khalifa are the unique things of noun here. So we have to write the article before the common noun here. We cannot use proper noun. We cannot use any article before proper noun here. If the noun is common, then we can use the article like shut the door here. So door is so here the particular noun here, as well as door is a common noun here. So we can use here shut the door here, the fixed noun here. Then the boy who helped you was my brother here. So the boy, I am talking about a boy, girls are the common noun, and the fixed boy who helped you was my brother here. So here I am talking about one particular boy here that help you. So here we have to use the article before common noun. Then before the names of sea here, before the names of seas like Arabian Sea, the Gulf, the Bay of Bengal, the Red Sea. Then the direction also. We have the four direction like the north, the west, the south, and the east here. So here in this example, we can see here the names of sea like the Arabian Sea is in the west. So west, so the direction here. So we have to write the before direction as well as Arabian Sea before the we have to write because we have to write the article before seas and before direction here. Then before the names of desert here. So example is the Sahara desert is in Africa here. So Sahara is the names of desert. So we have to write the article and before the names of season here. Like we have rain in the monsoon. So the monsoon, the summer, the winter, we can use here the article before the names of season here. Then mountain ranges here. More mountain altogether, they make the ranges here. There is no single mountain like Ambaji, one single mountain. Girnar, one single mountain is there. But in before the single mountain, we cannot use any article before the single mountain. But there is a mountain ranges here. So on that times we have to use the article. Like the Himalayas is in the north direction here. So we can say that here the Himalayas, there are many mountains. Mount Everest, Mount Gorvin Western, Garo, Khasi, Jaintia. So many mountains are there in a Himalaya. So we can use here the article before the names of Himalayas here as well as here the direction here, the north direction. So here the direction here. So we can use also here the before the direction here. Then before the superlative degree, what we do here before the superlative degree, the article is there, then we can say it is superlative degree here. So he is the bravest boy here. So bravest, so the superlative degree. So before superlative degree, we have to use the article here. So in short, we can say that articles are demonstrative adjective. We cannot find article in other language. We can find it is a beauty of language. Articles are beauty of language. We have the two kinds of article, that is indefinite article. We have both two indefinite article a and n. We use with the singular noun only. indefinite article because we do not refer, we cannot talk here any particular noun here. So we can say that it is a or an is indefinite article. If the noun has consonant sound, so we have to use a article, and if the noun has vowel sound, on that times we have to use an article, and the, so the definite article because the refer any particular noun here, the, so the particular noun. So that's why we can say that the is definite article. There are more uses of article the, we have seen with example here, as well as we can use the article with the singular noun and plural noun here. Okay, thank you.